Hello everyone, today we are going to unveil the Himi 48 Twin Cup Gouache Set, your gateway to a vibrant world of colors. In this video, we'll take you through an exciting unboxing, swatching the beautiful shades and exploring its standout features. In this sleek and compact packaging, you'll find 48 highly pigmented colors stored in a unique twin cup. These cups are designed to keep your paints fresh and prevent spills, making them perfect for artists on the go. The set also includes a sturdy palette lid that doubles as a mixing tray, combining convenience with functionality. As we open the twin cups, you're greeted with an impressive variety of 48 shades, carefully curated to inspire creativity. From bold primary colors to soft pastels and earthy tones, this set offers a full spectrum for every artistic need. Each shade is richly pigmented, providing vibrant and consistent coverage. Whether you're working on landscapes, portraits, or abstract designs, this palette ensures you'll always have the perfect color at your fingertips. The twin cup design not only keeps the paints fresh, but also makes it easy to access and organize your favorite shades. This thoughtful arrangement is perfect for artists who love to experiment and explore endless color combinations. As we explore the set further, notice how perfectly the twin cups fit into their designated slots, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The cups are securely nested in the palette, ensuring that the paints stay in place even during transport. This thoughtful design allows us to quickly grab the colors we need without any mess or fuss. Now let's swatch these colors and see them in action. Notice the buttery smooth texture and the exceptional vibrancy of each shade. These paints deliver excellent opacity, making them ideal for bold, vivid artwork. When diluted, they offer a soft, watercolor-like effect, giving you complete control over your creative process. What truly sets these paints apart is their consistency and quality. The buttery smooth texture glides effortlessly on the surface, allowing for precise application and seamless blending. Each shade boasts exceptional vibrancy and opacity, ensuring your artwork comes alive with bold, striking colors. You would notice that these pigments are of premium quality, which deliver professional level results with every stroke. Whether you're thinking about layering for depth or diluting for soft washes, these paints adapt beautifully to your technique. The twin cup design not only keeps the paints fresh and ready to use, but also minimizes waste, making this set both practical and sustainable. This combination of variety, vibrancy, and user-friendly design makes the Himi 48 Twin Cup Gouache Set a standout choice for artists who demand both creativity and quality in their tools. So transform your ideas into masterpieces with this Himi 48 Twin Cup Gouache Set. Ready to elevate your art? Go and shop now this magnificent set from our very own Tubi website. Give us some love by not forgetting to like, subscribe and sharing for more inspiring art content. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.